We are pleased to show you the 2015 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, traction control, voice activated navigation system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.